Do you want to know the number one way that you are losing business on your Instagram account? It's your bio. I know. It's your bio. So many people are using their Instagram bio the wrong way. They're not attracting the right clients. They're not even attracting clients. They're a little bit afraid to be out there boldly that they are in business. And so in this episode, we are going to be talking about how you can improve your Instagram bio. It's 3 easy steps, and I'm going to walk you through it, and it's going to change how you show up on Instagram. My name is Michelle Gifford, and I am a brand strategist, and I help you build your brand and business online. And Instagram is a great way to do that. Now listen, I want you to grow your business effectively and efficiently. And so I come at you 3 times a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with new videos helping you build your brand online. So make sure that you subscribe because I got a lot of good stuff for you. So usually when people start an Instagram account and they're new at business, what they do is they talk a lot about themselves. They spend a lot talking about being coffee lovers or dog lovers or walking on the beach or being a mom to 3 and a mom to 3 fur babies or whatever. You know, does that feel a little bit too close to home? It's okay, I'm gonna help you. But they spend so much time in their Instagram bio talking about themselves, they forget to talk to their ideal audience, the people that they actually want to attract. When people are thinking about following us, they come to our Instagram bio to see what's in it for them. I know, it's too bad, but they don't care about you. They care about what you can do for them. And so we have to remember that we are not creating our Instagram bio for ourselves. It's to attract our ideal audience member. Now, why is our Instagram bio so important? It's because it's our calling card, right? It's the thing that people go and check out to see if they actually want to follow us. You only have 150 characters, that's it, to tell the world what you do, who you serve, and what you want them to do. You don't have very much room, and so you have to be very selective in the words that you use and very strategic so that you can attract the right people. Also, this is a place where keywords are important for SEO. Now, I did a whole other video about Instagram SEO and keywords, which is basically how you can get found in the search engine of Instagram. And so that's a different episode, and you can go back and watch that. But basically, when people search for your type of account, you want to come up. Instagram has not come out and said it yet, but that the bio is searchable. But there are some apps that are searching bios to help companies know how to work with you. So we need to take that into consideration when we are writing our bio, because we want to be found and we want people who find us, who are our ideal audience members, to say yes and follow us. So should we get into the steps of how we actually do it? I say yes. The first step is to know who we serve. So who is your ideal audience member? Who is your ideal audience member on Instagram? Who are they, and how do you talk to them? Because the first thing you're going to do is speak to your audience member. I help blank. I help moms in business. I help doctors learn how to do finances. I help who? Who do you help? So you can start your Instagram bio with that. I help blank. Okay, this is going to be a fill in the blank system. Okay, I help blank. So think about who your person is on Instagram and who is that person? What do they like? What are they doing on Instagram? And how do you actually help them? And that is taking me to step number 2 is your first one is who do you serve? The second step is how do you serve them? Because like I said before, people want to actually see how you're going to help them in their lives. And so they don't want to just come up and say dog lover, cat lover, whatever. No, they want to see exactly how you can help them. And so we're going to tell them, we're not going to be shy about this. We are going to be bold. We're going to be confident in how we actually do that. So with the fill in the blank, it's I help blank. So who is that person you help? Do what? What do you help them do? And so that's your second step. How do you serve them? And then the third step is what do you want them to do? Because when someone comes to our account, we cannot expect them to read our mind and know exactly what they should do after they see our account. Do we want them to follow us? Do we want them to buy a product? Do we want them to join our group? Do we want them to get our freebie? What? I don't know. You get to decide. And so that is the third step. So I want to, I'm going to bring up my Instagram account and I'm going to walk you through the thought on mine. And I have a couple accounts I'm going to walk you through. And then if you want me to audit your Instagram bio, I would love to do it. If you're willing to do that and I can record it and I can video it and share it on YouTube, message me below in the comment section and I will do it on a separate video so that we can, it'll help you. I'm going to help you get it done and then it'll help others to see how they can change their bio to be better. So if I go to I'm Michelle Gifford, that is my Instagram account. My bio says, helping you build your brand, more sales with strategy, organic content, and social media. So I help you get more sales with organic content and social media. And what do I want people to do? Text Moneymaker to 951-309-7885. Okay, so that is very, very quick and short. There's not that many characters. You only have 150, but I'm able to clearly communicate exactly what I do. Now, let's go to my other account. It is M. Gifford Creative. This is my marketing agency. So a creatives marketing agency. So that's who it's for, right? Creatives. And we help creatives with branding, strategy, and content management. So that's how do we help them? And what's my call to action? Apply to work with us. So it makes it very easy to know what we do, know what we want them to do, and who we serve. So while we're on my bio, there's a couple things that I want to talk about that are not just those 150 characters. We have our name that is also there that we need to be aware of, and also our tagline. So our tagline and our name are searchable, and so they matter, right? We want people, when people search for who we are, we want to come up. So I put brand and content strategist. So if someone put content strategist, I want to come up. If your Instagram is your name, like mine has my name in it, I am Michelle Gifford, that next tagline, don't put your name because it's just redundant. We don't need to put that again. Put in a search term, something someone would search to actually find you. And then the last thing with your Instagram bio is you have one link in your Instagram bio, just one. So with that link, you can either link to a product or a opt-in or something very specific that you want, or you can get like a link in bio, which if you sign up for Tailwind, you can do that. You can have like a smart bio where you can click there and it opens up a list of links that people can click and get your different types of product. But I definitely recommend having a link. You only have one, you just as well use it. So that is how you get a killer Instagram bio. You start with who you serve, how you serve them, and what you want them to do. We're gonna top it off with putting our keywords in our tagline and also making sure we have a great link in bio. I am excited to see what you do with your Instagram bio. Just doing this will really change your business because suddenly you have a calling card. People can go and they understand exactly what you do and who you serve, and they'll know why they're following you and what to do. And that is powerful. So if you have questions, put them below. If you would like me to do an Instagram bio audit, put your name and your Instagram handle below and make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss any video. And we'll see you next time.